What is happening, folks? Welcome back to the channel. Hope everyone out there is doing good, you feel me? So in the last video you saw me disassembling this meth head right here. I got all the valves out right here. I don't think I'm going to be able to reuse these valves, but I'm going to show you something I saw a few other YouTubers do, and try not to laugh. I had this idea and I kind of looked it up to see if anyone else was like as dumb as me. The edges of these valves have some buildup on them. I don't know if I can get that to focus on there or not. But the edges are like the most important part from what I've gathered. So I'm not going to really mess with those too much, and for the most part I can just kind of wipe off the oxidation off of there without any real effort. But what I'm going to do is get this here electric drill, and I'm going to tighten my valve onto the drill. One thing also this is going to allow you to do, if say you're concerned about maybe your valve being bent, if you have it on a screwdriver like this, you can rotate it, and if there's no wobble in the circle when it spins, you know that the valves are pretty straight still. So that being said, let's get started on messing these valves up. Alright, so I have this wire wheel bench grinder here, and what I'm going to do is just focus on where the biggest amounts of the buildup is on the valve there, which is right around the base. Just turn this on. Go around the edge. Just like that. All the oxidation is removed from the valve. Just like that. Aside from the very middle of the valve, it is perfectly smooth. The edges are not ground down at all, so I'm hoping I can still reuse these if it comes to it. But I'm just going to go through and basically do this to every single valve. That one, I got in the indentation really good, so maybe I'll go back and do the rest of them like that. That is like brand new looking. Alright, so I got all the intake side done, and now I'm going to work on the exhaust side. It's going to be a lot easier to clean because none of the exhaust side valves were rusted. So just kind of make sure that they're straight and repeat the process. These are the intake valves. Let's see, there's no buildup anymore. Now again, I don't know if this is gonna work, and I don't know if I'm gonna even bother testing to see if this works. It's just kind of a matter of, do I want to try to make this as budget as possible and pay for it more down the road, if at all. That's just a little bit of rust from the table. There you go. Nice and clean. Night and day difference there. Looks like this one got cooked pretty good at some point, but all of the rust is gone and they look a million times better. But yeah, so I don't know, it's just an idea. If someone out there wants to talk mad about it, go ahead, I don't care. Alright, so this is looking pretty good actually. Let's give it another once over with the brake cleaner real quick.